If you've heard of Proof Skin Solutions and you've wanted a review, you've come to the right place. Hi, I'm GloryB and this is GloryB-TV, a lifestyle channel for mature women who want to look fabulous, feel amazing, and age gracefully. One of the owners of Proof Skin Solutions reached out to me and asked me if I'd like to try their products. Now, very interestingly, on their website, they have some products that are just for women, some that are just for men, and some that are for both. So when you go to their website and you drop down on the menu for shop, you can choose men or women. And they sent me their 3 products that are for women. The first product is called Polish Plus, or above that, it's the Daily Hydrating Exfoliant Cleanser and Mask. So you use this as a cleanser, but it's really more of an exfoliating scrub. It's not meant to be used on your eyes. So you're not using it this at night to take off your eye makeup. You have to use something else for that to get your eyes all cleaned up. And when you open it and you smell it, there's a product in here that you'll know is not for the eyes. It has kind of a peppermint oil scent to it. In fact, it might be peppermint oil, but it can sit on your skin as a mask. It also has that feeling of a very light scrub or exfoliant in the hand. Now, the interesting thing is all of the ingredients that go into this product, making it much more than a cleanser. All of their ingredients are listed on their website. And some of those things have to do with oils and other things for cleansing the skin, but also for preparing the skin for the moisturizers and serums that are going to come afterward. I haven't tried this as a mask yet. I've only used it to cleanse and to exfoliate my skin, but it is a really nice polish. And after rinsing it off, my skin does feel really clean and smooth, which you would expect from an exfoliator type of product. But this is more than just an exfoliator. This is something that's going to help to keep the moisture in your skin as well. The second product is their Porcelain Youth Restoring Nectar. Now this is a combination of a serum and a cream at the same time. Now, some of the ingredients in here include peptides and antioxidant extracts. This one reduces hyperpigmentation and redness, leading to a clearer, radiant complexion. So if you have some rosacea, I have a tiny bit on my cheeks, this should help to clear a lot of that up. You use this twice a day after the cleanser, exfoliator, polish, and it absorbs very nicely into the skin. It's not sticky. It has a slight scent. And as I said, it's a serum and a moisturizer all in one product. You'll notice in the ingredient list many of the items that you would find in a serum and also items that you would find in moisturizers. I like that it has the peptides and the antioxidants because then you know it's working to be anti-aging. The third product is their, I believe it's pronounced Deluge Youth Restoring Eye Cream. Now you can use this on more than just your eye area. This thing is a powerhouse of a moisturizer. Now this one has niacinamide, six peptides, count them, 6 peptides. It also has something called polyglutamic acid. Now that works to retain moisture in your skin, and antioxidants, and then several other ingredients that I won't go on. You can see them here listed on the website as I'm showing it to you. And also you can go check the website for it yourself if you're really into reading up on ingredients. Now, besides the eye area, I also apply it to my other problem areas. So where I have lines like around my lips, around here, and on my forehead, I have some lines as well. This is very emollient in a good way. Again, not sticky, really doesn't have a scent. I really like this cream. I know I'm showing you in the B-roll me putting it on my hands. I don't put it on my hands. It's too nice of a cream for my hands. I want it for my face to be anti-aging. Proof Skin Solutions is offering my viewers a very generous 15% off. Make sure you go in the description box below the video to open up the description box. The code will be there. You can copy it and paste. I'm also going to put it on the screen here so that you can check it out later in case you're watching on your mobile. But please make sure to go check out their website, check out their ingredients. I think you'll be really impressed with what the ingredients are and what they do for your skin for anti-aging and for keeping moisture in over the long haul. Then check out one of my other videos by clicking its image on the right side of your screen, and I'll see you in the next video.